Veganish.
Also called Sugar Shack, the donut and coffee spot. And they also got another little thing over there called, what's the other one called? The Green Vegan Kitchen. I don't even know if that's really what it was. I feel like it says pizza something. What up, Veganish Foodies? We're on the road, so you might catch us acting regular. Catch the baby in there too. I will put her on the. But we're at this is a special one, right? We're at Luther's Burger, also called Sugar Shack, the donut and coffee spot. And they also got another little thing over there called, what's the other one called? The Green Vegan Kitchen. I don't even know if that's really what it was. I feel like it says pizza something. The Ghost Pizza Kitchen. We had a flyer, but the baby got to it. There goes one.
Hey foodie family. So we are currently in Virginia and we stumbled upon a place that has burgers, pizza, and donuts, completely vegan. So we're going to go a little crazy. We're gonna get some burgers, we're going to try some pizza, and we're gonna get some donuts. And they have also, it says donuts and coffee, but it also has smoothies and shakes, everything completely vegan. So we actually came for a burger because we found this place on Google, Luther Burgers, completely vegan. But when we get here, we found a surprise that it's all connected with this Green Ghost Pizza, a vegan first kitchen, and a donut shop completely vegan. So we will show you videos and pictures in a second. We're going in. So we are inside. Now see the donuts and the menu. We're about to order. We're so excited. I don't know about the drink. What are the drink options? I can get any drink or?
Okay. Coke, Diet Coke, we've got 13 chicken back, root beer, lemonade, water. Anything from there. Do I just change this to 0, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get a ginger ale. I see a ginger ale, so that's fine.
I'm just gonna put no drink, but
that's fine.
yeah.
Do the tenders the wings come with, come with fries and a drink too? Or just a burger?
See,
I thought it was baby ginger.
the vegan wings,
Yes.
it's just the wings.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can get it. Let's get that. Can I get the teriyaki? You want teriyaki?
Oh, hold on. But what about the hot wings on the ghost thing?
That's what she's talking about.
Yeah.
That's the only vegan wings they got.
No, they have tenders
Yeah, there's tenders.
that are
I'll give
vegan
you
too.
Right, if we get it back in cash, like, that's fine.
Oh, okay, because those say now with fries. So
Yeah,
so those, yeah, the tenders come with fries. The appetizer ones don't. That's what you're saying? Okay. So you want to get the appetizer?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know there was two different ones. I thought it was the same. You know we're hungry, so everything is like.
We'll get everything. Okay.
11, 12,
And what if we get the hot wings? Oh yeah, so there's buffalo, barbecue, or teriyaki.
It said just
It
get the
says,
teriyaki.
oh, just get the teriyaki. Trust us. Okay, we're going to get the teriyaki.
Did you want the pizza as well?
Yeah, you said margarita pizza.
Vegan margarita.
Y'all know I like to eat. Look at this vegan pizza. I just need a little salt, a little pepper, but it's alright. We got the margarita pizza. Okay. Did you want any other dessert donuts? What kind?
All right.
Oh, you better get it all while we're here.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry?
Can I get a chocolate bar?
Dark chocolate?
Yeah. You got any more of those red
You
velvet?
can double check it. Oh, red velvet?
Yeah. Or that's not vegan.
Those ones are vegan. So the cake ones aren't, but everything else.
These
because
ones
of
are
the
vegan?
M&Ms are. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they all look amazing.
There's some back here as well. All right.
Oh my goodness. They all look so good. Which one are we gonna get?
Like the chicken ones, that's not vegan. And the M&Ms aren't. But everything else, these ones aren't because they have the vegan at all.
Okay.
But everything else is.
Okay. Are there any like fancy flavor ones back there?
Yep, I think that was.
Okay, he's gonna take an Oreo. And I'll do the caramel one. Yeah, just the two's fine. Oh yeah, I got a donut burger. I'll eat my donut for later. We're on the road. It's going down. So I got me a vegan donut burger. Everything's vegan. The donut, the burger, the fixings. Food makes me happy.
Green Ghost Pizza. Look at that pizza.
Baby needs fries.
Baby need fries. Look, we giving the baby fries right now. It's going down here, baby. So, the review is real fast, real quick, real simple. What did it taste like to you?
Like I need some more.
Like she needs some more.
That donut burger
Oh, she had
just took me back to like when we used to go to the Big E and I used to get the beef donut burgers. It was like my highlight. I used to get the beef donut bacon burger from the Big E. So that just took me back. But it was all vegan. Vegan donut, vegan burger, vegan deliciousness.
She's getting ready to pull out a slice of this pizza. We just had to get this baby the fry. Look at the baby going in and didn't get the fry. I'm gonna go over here and get you a close up of what it looks like. Thank y'all. This is a thank you to. Thank y'all. This is a thank you to the owners, the creators of this. We were on the highway from Georgia and we haven't eaten, and we were getting ready to eat, and then we're like, let's go, let's find somewhere. So we got off the highway, and when we got off the highway, that's what she was saying, the name of it, right? Got off the highway, and that's the close-up. And then everything in there is vegan for the most part. I mean, they got regular stuff in there too. It's like a two-sided menu. But we got the donuts. Then India's like, oh, I want a burger. Comes with fries and a drink. Then we got a donut burger. Like, oh, let's put the glazed donut in between the burger. Got pictures of that. Then we got this pizza, margarita. We just want regular. We didn't want to get a whole bunch of toppings. Pretty tasty. Let me get a bite of that. What do you think?
I think it's good. I could use some salt and pepper, but
I actually got some toppings on it, but
it's a margarita, right?
right. I just went regular. I'm sorry. Say it again. What'd you think?
It's a margarita.
What'd you think of it?
I need a little bit of spices, but other than that, the cheese is nice. The tomatoes are fried. And I like margarita pizza, so.
We like margarita pizza is what she said, if you didn't catch that last part. We took a little pit stop. It didn't take long to make at all either. So that was pretty, we appreciate that as well.
We got vegan donuts.
Oh yeah, I told them about the donuts already.
And the chicken tenders.
Oh yeah, we got some little chicken nuggets, chicken tenders. Forgot their wings. We got the teriyaki. It said get the teriyaki. We got the teriyaki, right? So it was all good, man. Good little quick stop. We just wanted to let you know this is definitely a go if you want to get something. Look at this pizza one more time. Watch this. That's a nice sized pizza, right? That's definitely a nice size pizza, so can't go wrong with that. Try it out if you're in Virginia anytime. All right.
Virginia's for lovers.
Virginia's for lovers. Oh, thank.
Yes! This is the best sauce ever. I am so excited to see you here. I've been waiting all year to get this sauce.
You don't gotta wait no longer.
I don't have to wait any longer. Yes! Come get your everything sauce.